In this video, we will discuss the 5 best PC case fans on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Antec Tranquil PC Case Fan. The Antec case fans represent a thoughtful balance between performance and aesthetics in the PC cooling market. Coming in a pack of 3, these 120mm fans showcase impressive engineering with their scythe-shaped blades and minimal frame gap design, resulting in notably efficient airflow characteristics. What sets these fans apart is their ability to deliver substantial cooling power while maintaining reasonable noise levels. At 2000 RPM, they push an impressive 64.02 CFM of air, yet manage to keep noise levels at a manageable 26.9 dB. The fluid dynamic bearing suggests long-term reliability, while the 8 anti-vibration rubber pads effectively minimize unwanted vibrations and noise transfer to the case. The Tranquil 120 ARGB perfectly balances cooling performance, aesthetics, and acoustic comfort, making it a solid choice for most gaming builds. Number 2. FexaDon Tech Case Fans. The FexaDon Tech computer case fans offer an impressive blend of visual flair and cooling performance, though they lean heavily into the aesthetic aspects of PC building. The standout feature is undoubtedly the infinity mirror design combined with 32 individually addressable RGB LEDs, creating a stunning lighting display that transforms any PC build into a visual centerpiece. These 120mm fans deliver moderate cooling capabilities with their 1,500 RPM maximum speed and 40.5 CFM airflow. While not the most powerful fans on the market, they maintain impressively quiet operation, with noise levels staying below 24.6 dB even at full load. The hydrodynamic bearings contribute to both quiet operation and long-term reliability. Number 3. Corsair PC Case Fan. The Corsair fan series brings a compelling mix of innovative features and robust performance to the PC cooling market. What immediately stands out is the thoughtful implementation of daisy chaining capabilities, allowing users to connect and control multiple fans through a single PWM connector, a significant advantage for clean cable management in modern builds. Performance-wise, these fans are impressive powerhouses, capable of reaching speeds up to 2,100 RPM and delivering a substantial 72.8 CFM airflow. The standout feature is Corsair's Air Guide technology, which uses anti-vortex vans to concentrate airflow precisely where needed, making these fans particularly effective when mounted on radiators or heatsinks. With a remarkable static pressure of 4.15 mm/H2O, they excel at pushing air through restrictive components. Number 4. Okinos PC Case Cooler. The Okinos computer case cooler delivers impressive performance without compromising on aesthetics or acoustic comfort. This 140mm cooling solution strikes an excellent balance between airflow efficiency and noise management, operating at a whisper-quiet 29 dBA even at its maximum 1,500 RPM speed. The hydraulic bearings and strategically placed rubber anti-vibration pads effectively minimize unwanted noise and vibrations. The fan excels with its substantial 80.5 CFM airflow and 1.51 mm H2O air pressure, ensuring your components stay cool under load. The PWM functionality offers flexible speed control between 600, 1,500 RPM, allowing users to fine-tune their cooling needs. The visual experience is equally compelling, featuring 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs that support 16.8 million colors and seamlessly integrate with major motherboard manufacturers' RGB ecosystems. Number 5. upHere PC Case Fan. The upHere computer case fan emerges as a surprisingly versatile cooling solution, offering an impressive range of functionality that extends beyond typical PC applications. With an airflow capacity ranging from 45 to 145 CFM, these fans pack serious cooling potential while maintaining reasonable noise levels between 18 and 46 dBA. However, the higher end of that range might be noticeable during intensive use. What sets this fan apart is its broad speed range, adjustable from 1,000 to 3,000 RPM across 5 distinct settings. The implementation of dual ball bearings suggests solid build quality, with an estimated lifespan of 600, 0.000 hours that should outlast most system builds. The 12V DC power design helps keep energy consumption in check despite the impressive performance figures. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.